Welcome back, everybody, to Tricky Woodworks. So what's going on, everybody? This is just going to be a really fast little video to show you my new logo inlays. So most people in the woodworking industry, they have heat stamps and they heat press their logos onto their work. So everybody pretty much does the same thing and burns their logos into their works, which is cool. I like it. It looks really nice, but with me being me, I just want to do something different and unique and something that I don't know that anybody else is doing. So I reached out to a 3D printer, Creative Kings 417 on Instagram, and sent him my logo, and we talked back and forth and we came up with this. So we have these little discs that are 2 inches in diameter and 1/4 of an inch thick, with each thing being on a different layer, the tree trunk being on the lowest layer, then the leaves, and then the lettering. So this is how I get them, solid white like this. Sorry for the bad lighting. And then I'm going to be hand painting them like this. And I'm going to be inlaying them into all my pieces. Let me show you what I mean. So I have this piece of wood yesterday that I was just testing this out on to make sure, well, to try to figure out the best way to cut these inlays. So we have this little piece of wood here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking one of these on the back of your chessboard, your cutting board, your rolling tray, whatever the case might be. I'm going to inlay it into one of these slots like this so it's level, and then I'm going to put clear epoxy over the top of it and sand it flush with the board. So it'll be a really cool way, I think, of getting my logo into my work, and a really unique way of getting my logo into my work. So let's take a better look at them, and see you guys on the next video. Tricky D. P.S. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these and what you think about the idea. Thank you very much.